rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're not new here, and welcome if you are. My name is Shanae and I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. So I'm starting off by combing my hair up into a ponytail. Once it's all combed up smoothly, I'm just going in with a hair tie and I am just tying my hair into a ponytail. And you don't want to tie it too tight. So first I'm going to comb out my baby hairs and my sideburns, just so that I don't get gel on them. So I'm just going in with the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 styling gel and I'm going to apply it all around my head. And once I apply it, I'm going in with my fine tooth comb and I'm just going to comb it through. I personally like to remove my hair tie and tie it back once I comb it through, just so it's all smooth. That is just my preference because I don't like the ripples around if I do comb it through and there is hair that needs to be tied in as well. So that is a tip for you guys. So I'm going to achieve this style like I'm doing an invisible ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid my natural hair. And once I've braided it to the end, I'm going to use one of those small black elastic bands and just tie the end to secure the braid. I will be using some random hair I had at home. This hair was about, I want to say 16 inches, and I'm going in with my needle and thread and I'm just going to sew the wefts onto my braid. I'm going to wrap the hair around my braid and just stitch every time, well, make a stitch every time I wrap the weft around on the top of my braid. So if you're not new here, you know I can't do any style without my DAX. So I'm going in and I'm rubbing some DAX in the hair. And then I'm just going to take a piece from the back and I'm going to use this piece as my wrap. So I'm going to leave it out for now and put it to the side. To achieve this bun, all I'm doing is simply twisting the end around and just wrapping it. But you need to do it tight, that way it doesn't fall. And all I'm doing is twisting it around, and I'm securing the end piece by wrapping it all the way down at the end of my bun, of my ponytail, sorry. And once you just have it the way you like it, I'm just gonna use some bobby pins to secure it, to put some pieces in line. And yeah, that's about it for this bun. Like, it's super simple, super easy. You can do anything you want, shape it however you want. And with the wrap, it just makes it look more sleek. So I'm gonna go in with my got2b gel and I'm gonna wrap it with the got2b gel. So I'm just gonna smooth it on the hair and wrap it like as you would if you were doing a regular ponytail. I find that this way it makes it look more neat, more crisp. Like, I just love it. Now I'm going in with my got2b free spray and I'm just spraying my bun, and then I'm gonna use my flat iron. This is just for the flyaways. It allows it to stick down on the bun instead of like sticking up everywhere. It makes it look more neat and more crisp, so you know, yeah. Now I'm going to be using my Ebon Edge Control to lay down my edges. Going back in with some bobby pins just to make sure that my bun is stable, guys. You don't want it falling apart. So if you ever feel like you need to stick some extra bobby pins in, go right ahead. Lastly, I'm just using some gloss spray on my hair, and that is about it for this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy updo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video.